Hello everyone and welcome to Electrotech classroom. I am very much delighted to have you with me for this informative session in electrical and electronics measurement. In this lecture we are beginning with unit 1, that is fundamental of measurement. This is part 1 where we will discuss an important and fundamental topic, which is the purpose of measurement and its significance. Now look, measurement is an essential part of electrical and electronics engineering. Whether we are designing a circuit, testing electrical equipment, troubleshooting a fault, or monitoring the performance of a system, accurate measurement is always required, right? So in this unit, we will gradually develop our understanding and the basic concept of measurement, measuring instruments, and their important characteristics. So I encourage you to follow the lecture carefully and try to relate each concept to practical electrical engineering applications. If you find this lecture useful, please like the video and subscribe to Electrotech Classroom for more electrical educational content and future updates. So without further delay, let us begin Unit 1, that's fundamental of measurement. In this session, we will begin with a very fundamental question. Why do we need measurement? And what is the significance of measurement in electrical engineering? Let us start with the question, why do we need measurement? Now, imagine that you are working with an electrical circuit. Simply looking at the circuit cannot tell us, or you cannot tell us whether it is operating correctly or safely, right? We need to know important electrical quantities such as voltage, current, power, energy, and resistance. Now, measurement enables us to determine the actual value of these physical quantities. Got it? The electrical engineering measurement plays a very vital role in the design, testing, operation, control, maintenance, and troubleshooting of electrical systems. Now, let us understand another important question. What is an instrument? Now, an instrument is a device used to communicate, detect, indicate, measure, observe, record, or signal a physical quantity or phenomena. Instruments can also be used to control or manipulate other devices. Now, for example, an ammeter is used to measure current. A voltmeter is used to measure voltage. A wattmeter measures electrical power, while an energy meter measures the electrical energy consumed by a load. And a multimeter, on the other hand, can be used to measure several electrical quantities including voltage, current, and resistance. A good instrument should provide a reliable and accurate response. It should maintain its characteristics over an extended period of time. Okay, and should possess adequate accuracy and sensitivity. We will be discussing this in our upcoming lectures also, this accuracy and sensitivity, these topics. Now, still for a brief idea, though we will be going for this accuracy and sensitivity in details in our upcoming videos, still for your brief knowledge, I would like to say that accuracy refers to how close the measured value is to the true value, and sensitivity refers to the ability of an instrument to detect small changes in the quantity being measured. Now, don't worry about, because you might think what is true value, right? So we will be discussing in details in this in the upcoming videos, because this video is only describing the purpose of measurement and its significance. So viewers, don't worry, we'll come to it in our next lecture. Now let's move further. Now, due to these characteristics, therefore, measurement is not simply about obtaining a numerical value. It is the fundamental, or it is the foundation for monitoring, testing, control, safety, and maintenance of electrical system. So, to summarize, measurement helps us to determine the value of a physical quantity, while the instrument is the device used to measure, indicate, record, or control information about that quantity. In the next part of the lecture, we will learn different definitions and brief explanations about different important terms used in measurement. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for future updates. You can also give your valuable suggestion in the comment box. Thank you. Meet you in the next lecture.